In this video, we're cutting through the marketing hype. We've tested the top mats built for the male physique. Mats from brands like Manduka, Jade, and Lifeform. We'll show you exactly which one gives you the best performance for hot yoga, home workouts, and everything in between. Stick around, because the mat you're currently using is probably holding back your practice. Let's find your ultimate mat upgrade. Product number 1. Hatha Yoga Extra Thick TPE Yoga Mat. The Hatha Yoga Mat is an exceptional choice for those who prioritize maximum cushioning and an eco-conscious design. Measuring a generous 72 inches by 32 inches and an ultra-thick half-inch, or 12.7 millimeters, this mat provides unparalleled joint protection, making it ideal for beginners, men with knee or joint sensitivities, or those focusing on restorative practices. Constructed from high-density, eco-friendly TPE or thermoplastic elastomers, it is SGS certified, guaranteeing it is free from harsh chemicals like latex and PVC. The large size caters perfectly to larger or taller individuals, ensuring your limbs stay comfortably on the mat during a full range of motion. Its anti-tear properties and included bolster, often for support or stretching, enhance its overall value as a durable, all-purpose fitness bolster. Product number 2. Cambivo Yoga Mat for women and men. Extra long and wide exercise mat. The Cambivo mat is specifically engineered to eliminate the frustration of constantly moving back onto a too short mat. With options up to an incredible 84 inches by 30 inches, 7 feet long, this offering provides a massive, unrestricted practice space for taller and broader-shouldered users. At approximately 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters thick, it strikes a Goldilocks balance of superior cushioning for joint comfort while maintaining the firm, stable, grounded feel required for standing poses and balance work. The double-sided non-slip surface, featuring a unique honeycomb bottom texture, ensures the mat stays put on various floor types, and your hands, feet maintain grip even during sweatier sessions. It's a durable, non-tear option perfect for a dedicated home gym or studio practice. Product number 3. Retrospect Solana Yoga Mat, 1 inch thick with nylon strap. For the ultimate in plush comfort and joint relief, the Retrospect Solana's 1 inch thickness is unmatched in this lineup. This dense NBR foam mat transforms hard floors into a soft, supportive surface, making it the perfect choice for Pilates, ab work, physical therapy, or any exercise where joint tenderness is a concern. While its considerable thickness offers incredible cushioning for prone work, users focused on advanced standing yoga poses, like tree or eagle pose, may find it too cushioned, making a connection to the floor and stable balance more challenging. However, its 72 inches by 24 inches dimensions and simple nylon carry strap make it easy to transport a studio-grade comfort layer wherever your workout takes you. Product number 4. Gogoki Wii Extra Wide Yoga Mat from men, women, 72 inch long by 36 inch wide. If width is your main priority, the Gogo Wii mat stands out with an impressive 36 inch width, a full foot wider than traditional mats. This is a game changer for men with wider stances or those who simply feel cramped on standard mats. Measuring 72 inches by 36 inches and approximately 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters thick, this TPE mat is lightweight yet durable, featuring a dual-sided non-slip texture for reliable traction. A unique and highly useful feature is the inclusion of alignment marks, which help practitioners, especially beginners, achieve perfect hand and foot placement for proper pose form. This mat is a versatile, high-utility choice for yoga, stretching, and broader home gym floor exercises. Product number 5. Gaiam Essentials 2/5 inch thick 10 millimeter yoga and Pilates mat. Gaiam is a trusted name in yoga, and their Essentials mat delivers a dependable, all-around performance at an excellent value. At 2/5 inch or 10 millimeters thick, It provides significant cushioning that greatly surpasses the standard 4 to 6 millimeter yoga mat, offering a firm yet protective layer for knees and elbows. The mat's 72 inches by 24 inches dimensions are standard length, but the 10 millimeter thickness makes it a solid upgrade for general fitness, Pilates, and basic floor exercises. Its textured, non-slip surface ridges prevent slipping during light to moderate intensity, and a convenient carrier sling is included, making it a highly portable and budget-friendly choice for a quick, comfortable workout anywhere.